Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn investor here, and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully, the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. My intention behind these videos is to capture all my trades live with 100% transparency so that you get a sense of what it takes to be a day trader. Also, it takes a lot for me to record these videos while I trade live. So if you appreciate the effort and the content, all I ask from you is to hit the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. SPY is down pre-market and QQQ is still green pre-market, but the trend looks like a downward trend. So based on how both SPY and QQQ reacts at market open, I may have a bullish or bearish sentiment. Going into market open, I'll be watching Nvidia, Tesla, and Amazon for possible call and put opportunities. I'll be interested in calls if the stocks break the pre-market high and continue higher, and I'll be interested in puts if the stock breaks the pre-market low and continue low. So that's the plan going into market open. We do have around 8 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now, and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open, selling off. QQQ and SPY trying to move to the upside, but it's failing. Tesla just broke the pre-market high. Like this candle to close strong. I think this is one level that I could trust. So adding that level, watching it carefully. Yep. I think today waiting is not working. I may have to get a bit aggressive today. Seems like today is that day where waiting leaves you in the dust. If this candle is not red, then I think I may have to find a new level to add. But I think this should be weak. There should be a pullback. 3 minutes remaining for this candle. I'm waiting to see whether 884 breaks down. 30 seconds for this candle to close. I think it should break. Placing an order around 9:10 for now. Want to make sure that I get that entry. That's why I'm placing it. And 40 broke. I'm at 9:10. Bummer there. Low was 9:15. Cancelling for now. That was the entry I wanted. Look at it go now. Now I think it's going to make new highs. I think I may have to add one more level now. Obviously it would be around this area. So not a good way to start a Monday. Watching Tesla for around 25 minutes and seeing it just go without you. It's painful, but it is what it is. I may not take this level because that would be too aggressive. I'll watch this candle and then take my trade accordingly. We do have around 4 minutes for this candle to close, so not in a hurry to jump in. I'm not taking this level right now. Maybe 10:30 or 10:10 or 9:80 this time. It just bounced off that level. 30 minutes into the day, no trades as of yet. Feeling a bit frustrated here, and I'm afraid that I'm going to make a bad decision since I'm frustrated. Again, it's going so frustrating, so annoying. 890 area, it's acting very strong. I think I may get an entry if it breaks down. Moving to 960 for now. Placing an order for 960. Hopefully I get it this time. I'll take my second at around 884 area. Yep. Just got 4 contracts and 7 now. Yep. Now I look to add around 884. Watching. Yep, I'm out of 3. Another 3 at 1040. Just holding 4. 1050, I'm trying to put it. Yep. Now just holding 1 contract. If it comes below 10, I'll exit. Exiting. That was a good trade. I got in at 960, sold some at 1035, 1040, 1050, and 1070. Now it's taking off, but happy to be green. $844 after waiting for 37 minutes. Is it worth it? Of course it's worth it, and I'll take it. Now I'll keep watching for a second trade. Tesla trying hard to hold up. and not sell off. Tesla making new highs. It never gave me a second trade. So clearly Tesla is strong today, but I was not being aggressive because I want to start the week green and don't want to mess it up. I'll keep watching for a few more minutes, and if I don't get a decent pullback, then I think I'll call it a day. It's hesitating to break $12, and I think now 1160 may be the obvious one. Tesla was really tough today, and because of that, I think I'm not in a great mindset to continue trading. I think I should walk away with whatever gains the market gave me today. I traded for a little over 1 hour and making $800. I should be happy and I should not be complaining. So that's it from me for today. And as I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.